Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Full Deck Challenge 2 hosted by Shana of ShanoukiArt. I am so far behind in this challenge. The last one I did was number 16 and she's already up to 20. So I've got a lot of catching up to do. And so for number 17 we need a napkin, green, tab, and numbers. And I've got my tab, I've got a green napkin, and I will get my numbers. So I hope you'll enjoy this video and I hope you're doing great. Be sure and check out Shana's channel at ShanoukiArt, and be sure and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge 2. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here's 17 and 18. And I've got my napkin, which was the background, and it's green, and I've got different green, a little bit of green paint. I've got my tab, and I've got my numbers. And on 18, I've got text right here. I've got spots and dots, and I have got my postage stamp, and I've got a lot of blue. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure and check out Shana's channel at ShanoukiArt, and be sure and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge 2. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. I'll try to catch up with these prompts, and hopefully I'll have a video next week. So until next time, bye y'all.